The second way for solving this integral, I will using special method. You can see here when I want to find the original of cos x. What does that mean? I will using integral of cos x dx. You know about the answer is sine x like this, right? The first step, I have sine x and cos x. So I want to find the original, or I want to find integral of cos x. It means sine x. I can rewrite it like this: d sine x. Integral of cos x is mean I want to move the cos from this position inside the d. Integral of cos, it means sine. D x become to d sine x. Look at it, you have sine x outside and sine x inside d. You can write down immediately the answer like this, plus c. So a lot of my students don't understand about this step. Let me take clear about this one first. You got integral of x times dx. So what is the answer for this one? Over 1, right? It is to power of 1. It means 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 in here and plus c. So that's why I have the x squared over 2. About m squared? No, sorry, dm. M times dm is mean m squared divided by 2 plus c, right? How about x squared and dx? X squared divided by 2 plus c. Okay. You have here is sine x and d sine x. It will be sine squared over 2 plus c. Yeah. That is another answer for this question.